Today, we're diving into the world of fishing rods, exploring the best spinning rods available on the market. After rigorous testing in various environments, including bays, lakes, and rivers, we've evaluated 9 top contenders. Our hands-on assessments focus on critical metrics such as performance, features, versatility, and portability, ensuring you have all the information needed to make an informed decision. Whether you're seeking superior quality or exceptional value for your next fishing adventure, our expert insights will guide you to the perfect spinning rod tailored to your needs. Let's reel in the details. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below for more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison. Now, let's jump into the listicle. At number 5, we have TFO Professional Spinning Rod, the best saltwater fishing rod. If you're serious about saltwater fishing, TFO Professional Spinning Rod deserves your attention. This rod excels in design and functionality, making it an exceptional choice for enthusiasts targeting large fish. First up, its durable construction ensures longevity. Built to withstand the rigors of saltwater fishing, this rod can handle tough conditions while maintaining performance. Its moderate fast action allows for impressive casting distances, helping you reach those seemingly unreachable spots. When battling a big catch, the stout butt section becomes invaluable. It provides the strength needed to reel in hefty fish without compromising your grip. A cork handle enhances comfort during those long fishing days. You'll appreciate how light this rod feels, weighing in at less than 6 ounces. It outshines many competitors in this range, offering the perfect balance between performance and affordability. While some rods may feel bulky, TFO keeps it lightweight, allowing you to focus solely on your technique. One potential drawback is that you might need a bit of time to get used to the rod's action. Adjusting to its moderate fast action could require some patience for beginners. However, once familiar, you'll notice how it positively impacts your casting. TFO Professional Spinning Rod stands out for its robust design, ease of use, and stellar performance. Fishing becomes more enjoyable with this excellent rod in hand. At number 4, we have St. Croix Victory Spinning Rod, the best premium travel fishing rod. Experience fishing like never before with the St. Croix Victory Spinning Rod. This rod excels in sensitivity, allowing you to feel even the slightest nibbles underwater. Testers immediately noticed its superior performance compared to other brands, making every fishing trip more enjoyable. Crafted using integrated polycurve tooling, this design eliminates transition points. As a result, vibrations travel seamlessly from hook to rod. You won't miss a single tap or bump, which dramatically enhances your catch rate. Not only does this rod feel alive in your hands, but it also helps you connect with the water in a unique way. Carbon fiber construction offers strength while reducing weight. This delightful combination grants you excellent power without compromising finesse. You can effortlessly cast for long durations without fatigue. Adding to that, high-quality Fuji guides and reel seats ensure smooth, hassle-free casting. You'll appreciate how quickly and accurately you can reel in your line, even in challenging conditions. While this rod impresses in many areas, it may feel slightly delicate for some users. However, this quality translates into better sensitivity and performance, helping to refine your angling skills. What stands out the most? The unmatched sensation when using this rod makes fishing feel more like an art form. You'll relish the connection between you and nature more than ever before. Still searching for the perfect fishing rod? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. At number 3, we have CastKing Blackhawk 2 Telescoping, the best travel fishing rod. Travel fishing just got easier with the CastKing Blackhawk 2 Telescoping Rod. This innovative design telescopes down, fitting effortlessly into a backpack or carry-on. You can hit the water without worrying about restringing your rod, thanks to its secure line and guide system. Simply extend it when you're ready to fish. Crafted from a durable graphite main body, this rod delivers excellent sensitivity, perfect for feeling even the slightest nibble. A solid glass tip enhances your experience, offering a sturdy yet responsive fishing tool. With 14 variations available, you have plenty of choices to match your fishing style and target species. What stands out most is how simple it becomes to transport gear. Unlike bulky single-piece rods, this one packs away neatly. It's a traveler's dream when space is tight. Frequent anglers will appreciate that convenience. However, you might notice slightly less strength compared to premium single-piece models like the Victory. This trade-off for portability works well for casual fishers who prioritize convenience over ultimate power. After testing this rod extensively, I love how versatile and lightweight it feels. It can handle a range of fishing conditions, making it adaptable for different trips. While it may not have the brute strength of top-tier rods, it caters to those who value mobility. At number 2, we have Toadfish Rod and Reel Spinning Combo, the best full-package fishing rod. Ready to up your fishing game? Toadfish Rod and Reel Spinning Combo is a top-notch choice that provides everything you need. This full-package setup features high-tech materials for an ergonomic feel, making it easy to fish all day. Saltwater-proof spinning reel ensures durability during outdoor adventures. With an IPX5 sealed system, you gain extra protection against water damage. This smart design keeps the drag and rotor safe while you reel in your catch. Plus, sealed stainless steel ball bearings enhance smooth performance, even in tough conditions. The comfort control technology in the grip stands out. It allows for a secure hold without straining your hand. Whether you're casting a big lure or battling a fierce fish, your comfort remains intact. You'll find yourself able to focus on your technique rather than your grip. At just 30-ton, the graphite blank rod suits various fishing styles, adapting effortlessly to different environments. You can fish in freshwater or saltwater, eliminating the need for multiple rods. This flexibility is a winning trait compared to other combos on the market. One minor concern is the weight. While it feels solid in hand, some may prefer a lighter option for longer sessions. This combo still shines overall, as its functionality outweighs this small drawback. For convenience and effectiveness, you can't go wrong with Toadfish. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. At number 1, we have Ugly Stick Elite, the best fishing rod overall. Catch more fish with the Ugly Stick Elite. This rod shines as the best fishing rod overall, thanks to its impressive design and versatility. Made using a blend of graphite and fiberglass, it offers a lightweight solution without sacrificing strength. Users appreciate the improved construction that now features 35% more graphite. This addition means you can enjoy greater durability while feeling less fatigued during long fishing trips. With its excellent range of action types and power ratings, you can tailor the rod to your fishing style, whether you're targeting big bass or seeking out more delicate bites. Another standout feature is the sensitivity. You'll feel even the slightest nibbles on your line, enhancing your overall fishing experience. Durable, yet flexible, this rod is built for endurance, making it a reliable choice for avid anglers. However, some may have mixed feelings about the cork handle. Many find it comfortable and easy to grip, promoting a confident hold. Yet others have noted that cork can wear down over time. While the reel seat performs well, it does fall short of the rod's high-quality feel. What I love most about the Ugly Stick Elite is its adaptability to different fishing conditions. It truly encapsulates the spirit of fishing for everyone. Adventure awaits with this remarkable rod, so dive in and explore its features further. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best fishing rods. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which fishing rod you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.